English conversation. Using bus. Conversation 1.
So, how would we get to the theater?
Let's take the bus.
I hate the bus system this city. The bus drivers are rude. The buses are never on time. And there are few people around who can help you.
It's not that bad. You probably just had a bad experience once.
It wasn't just once. Every single time I take the bus, something bad happens to me or to someone else on the bus.
But I don't think we'll be able to find a taxi very easily during rush hour. Let's just take the bus.
Fine, have a look at the timetable to find out when the next one arrives.
Conversation 2.
Good morning. How often does the airport bus run?
Every 30 minutes. Ticket, please.
How much it is?
$2.
Here you are.
Is this the first time you've taken the airport bus?
You're right.
Have a nice trip.
Conversation 3.
Good morning. Does this bus go to South Coast Plaza?
Yes, it does. Get on, please.
How long does it take there?
It's about 15 minutes.
Sounds good. I don't have much time now.
Please move to the back. There's lots of room in the back.
Common English sentence patterns. Listen and repeat the following common English sentence patterns. For each sentence, you have 5 seconds to repeat. Let's take the bus. Could you tell me where the bus terminal is? Can you tell me where I can catch the number 08 bus, please? Can you let me know where to get off? How often do the buses run? How many stops before White Swan Lake? When does the first bus to the airport run? Is there where I can catch a bus to the new Ocean Stadium? Where is the nearest bus stop? Am I right for the station? Does this bus go to the library? Have you bought the ticket? Could you please show your commuter's pass? Don't worry, I'll call you when your stop is coming. The bus runs about every 5 minutes. It's your stop. The second stop after this is your position. Can you tell me the way to the bus stop? I'm sorry, you have to change the other bus. The bus has a problem. He is driving the bus to the garage to repair. Please fill up my tank. The bus is turning right. Please be careful. When I got to the bus stop, there was a long queue of people. Have a look at the timetable to find out when the next one arrives. Hurry up or we'll miss it. Now, something good has happened to you on a bus trip.
Okay, that is the end of our video. Please watch the video many times until you can speak quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.